So class 4 science, welcome to my new class. In last class we finished the chapter number 2, our teeth. Now we will start unit 2, materials and safety. So be safe. So in every life we have to save in our life. So we have to obey some orders, some rules. Then our human life will be safe. Otherwise in the scientific world, if we not obey these types of rule, then we can't survive in this world, because you live in the forest, then no problem. But if you live in this technical world, then you have to obey some rules. Be safe. Our world is beautiful place in life, but there are many things which can be dangerous. It is therefore important for us to think before we act. Accidents happen all of a sudden. They happen when we are careless or in a hurry. We can avoid accidents if we are careful and follow the safety rules. Here are some safety rules which we should follow at different places. Let us learn about them. At home, it is important to feel safety. It is important to feel safe in your home. It helps you to live healthy and happily. Follow these safety rules everywhere and every time. Do not number 1, do not leave your toys, shoes, bags and books in the floor, because it makes something dirty from far. Okay. Do not use electrical appliances with worn air or damaged cord. Do not touch electrical appliances. Okay. Never play with sharp objects like blades, knives and scissors. So never play with blades, scissors, knife. Okay, it will cut you. So it is very dangerous. If you wrongly used these materials, then blood will come. Do not touch or play with flux, bare wire or electrical appliances. I already told this. Never switch on or off the switches of fan and light with wet hands. If your hand is wet, then don't touch the electrical switches. Never stick anything into the electrical socket. Okay. In the kitchen, do not light a candle or a gas stove alone without the presence of an elders. So you are not able to light a candle or a gas stove without presence of your parents. So don't try to make food with stove or gas. Okay. Never put anything over a lamp or stove while playing. Do not stand too close to the fireplace or a stove. You might get burned or your clothes could catch fire. Okay. Never you should make some distance from stove or fireplace. Never touch matches, lighters or candles. Do not put knives or other sharp objects into a water sink full of water. Someone could get hurt. Do not use a knife by yourself. Ask your elders to cut fruits for you. Okay. Some students cutted fruits by knife. So do not cut by yourself. Cut when elders are present. Never put water on a cooking fire. It could make the fire big. If you get burned, tell your parents or elders immediately and told a burned area under cooled running water. In the bathroom, never keep sharp objects in the bathroom. Do not take items such as electrical plug into the bathroom. Do not listen to radio or music in bathtub. Use non-slip mat to prevent falling. Do not spread water soup on the floor. You might slip on it and can get hurt. Okay. And next, at school, do not throw things in the classroom. Do not run or jump on the desk and benches. Do not touch any teacher's article. Do not make noise or disturb your class teacher. Do not run down the stairs. You may slip and hurt yourself. So thank you. So this is for today's class. You just read this chapter and again read, then your pronunciation will be the better. So thank you. We will meet you in the next class. Thank you.